Okay, here's the house a couple years after it was built. I just now started to put skirting around it for the first time. In so doing, I had to remove all of the junk and trash that I used to store under the house, which was a lot. Anyway, before I totally skirt the house, I wanted to show you the angle iron pier system that I built the house with. So let me walk around the back. I cleared it all out so that I could take a good video right before I skirt this place. Now, there's horizontal I-beam. I'm sorry, not I-beam, angle iron. There's horizontal angle iron right here. You can see that piece of iron right there. It might be 5/16, I can't remember. It's really thick. By 4 inches by 4 inches. That piece of angle iron runs all the way down the 20-foot section down there. And then it is held up by other pieces of angle iron, such as this one, in very deep pier holes, screwed and braced at the bottom, and welded. Braced here, welded, and the rim joist of the house rest on this angle iron. And then the vertical angle iron is welded to the horizontal angle iron. And I've got 15 piers. 5 down the middle, 5 more down the edge. And as you can see here, this very long piece of horizontal angle iron holding this 12 bridge here in the middle of the house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of angle iron welded to the horizontal angle iron with bracing and screwed and welded. Now, the only parts that are not angle iron are, there are 2 3x3 square posts in the middle, the very middle of the house. One there. This is a 20x30 countryplans.com house with a loft. So there's one there. You can see the square post. That's the only 3-inch 3x3 square post, and another one back here, the other side, blocked by that propane bottle that feeds the stove. And there's that 3-inch post. Now, the only other square posts are on the very corners. There's one there. On the very corners, I used a 4x4 square post, or 3.5 inch. I don't know. I can't remember right now. Anyway, maybe it's 3.5 inch, and it's much sturdier and thicker than the 3-inch middle post. But anyway, there's 4 of these on each corner. And up here, this post is welded. And this is the back porch. But the very end of the house is this angle iron here. And it goes halfway down, I think, and then another long piece goes down the rest of the way. And it's, the rim joists are setting on top of it, the floor. And then I've got, of course, the I-beams. I'll crawl under here. You see this vertical, this is a vertical I-beam. Right here, welded to the horizontal. I say I-beam, I never have an I-beam here, it's angle iron. Horizontal angle iron. And then there's that 3-inch post underneath, and here's the house underneath. And you can kind of see gaps of light in the middle horizontal rail where the wood doesn't set right on. But anyway, that's how it is. And I've never seen a house like it. Every once in a while I welded a little deal here to hold the rim of this. I was going to do that throughout, but didn't. Anyway, that's the house. And now I'm going to skirt it and try to make the water, because I am on a little slope here. And you can see I'm crawling over to the other side of the house now to show you. There. And I don't have much plumbing going on. Here's my Three Stooges plumbing down there. Don't say nothing to anybody. Anyway, and as you can see, I have no insulation up here. It gets 0 degrees, 5 degrees on the coldest winter days. This winter hasn't been cold at all, so I've had no insulation. But it's been good for the last 2 years. It's not a problem. Now that I'm skirting it, it's going to be much warmer. Again, there's the middle of the house, and how I have the horizontal angle iron, 90-degree angle iron, welded to vertical angle iron. Yeah, and that's about it. Okay, 12 inch 2x12s, 16-inch centers to the floor, and that's it. Over and out.